and welcome back to chapter 4. This is section 2. This is on rates. Rates are like ratios, but they're very specific. A ratio that compares to quantities in different units is what a rate is. So that means that I'm buying an 8-pack of batteries and I'm spending $5.49 on them. And the rate is how much money per battery am I spending. That's the rate. Another rate is miles per hour. If you're going 500 miles and it takes you 6 hours, how many miles per hour is it? So you've always got that word per in there, which means each, which means you're breaking them up into equal spots, which is a division problem, and trying to work out exactly how much per, how much for each, okay? So Fred's heart beats 675 times in 5 minutes. So we've got two quantities and we've got different units. So we're comparing two quantities in different units. That's our rate, okay? And again, this is kind of just like a fraction. We're looking for the unit rate, how many times it happens in one unit. So you want to make the denominator, excuse me, you want to make the denominator a 1. For example, so this question is how many beats times does his heart beat in 1 minute? Per minute. There's your per word. So you're going to make this a fraction. 675 beats in 5 minutes. How many beats in 1 minute? So you're going to divide the top and the bottom by 5 in order to get this fraction. And how many times does 5 go into 675? 17, 3, that's 15, that's 25, is 5. 135 beats per minute. That's unit rate. Okay? There are 14 cups of broccoli in 4 large pita pockets. How many cups of broccoli in each pocket? So you know that the pocket, you want the pocket to be 1. So the pocket is going to go on the bottom, which means the broccoli has to go on top. So we have 14 cups in 4 pockets. How many cups in 1 pocket? Now here, it looks just like a fraction, doesn't it? Actually a ratio, because we don't get rid of the 1 on the bottom. Here it's not like a fraction, because if you do, how many times does 4 go into 14? That's not going to work out, is it? 0.0. Bring down your 0, that's going to be 3.5. So we have 3.5 cups of broccoli for each pocket. So again, it's not like a fraction because you've got a decimal in your ratio. Okay? Dun, dun, dun. All right, what do we got next? The Lawsons are driving 288 miles and they want to get there in 6 hours. How fast should they drive? I want to know how many miles per hour they're going. And that fraction looks like miles per hour. And you know that MI is miles, right? Because just M is meters. Make sure that you write it the right way. Okay, so we have 288 miles in 6 hours. And I want to know miles per hour per 1 hour. So I know that hours has